How to fix Battlefield 1 crashing on Windows. 1. Install the latest patch for your game. 2. Stop overclocking your CPU. 3. Update your graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Repair your Battlefield 1 game in Origin. 5. Run bf1.exe as administrator. Like this. 6. Disable Origin in-game overlay. Path, Origin application settings Origin in-game tab. 7. Switch to DirectX 11 in options in Battlefield 1. 8. Update your Windows operating system. 9. Uninstall Windows Security Update KB4284835 and KB4284880.